There are two main products that we can use to rejuvenate or to increase the beauty of our patients. One of this product is called filler, and the other one is called botulinum toxin. There's a huge difference between these two things. A filler is something we use to recover volume or to increase volume. For instance, if we have lost volume in our cheeks as we age, we can use a filler. On the other hand, botulinum toxin is a drug, is a medication, and it has an action in the muscles of the face, and it relaxes different wrinkles. We can also, and we can always combine both things. We can use a filler to recover or increase volume, and we can use botulinum toxin to relax wrinkles. For a filler, we can use different materials. But the number one product for doctors is something called hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a transparent gel. It's present in many tissues, such as the inside of the eye. When we use a filler, what we are obtaining is volume, and we can use this volume to recover the volume that we've been losing by aging, or to increase the volume to enhance certain features of the face to become more beautiful. When we use drugs, there is a certain duration. Botulinum toxin lasts for about 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 months, depending on its action. But when we're using a filler, it lasts much more. There are biopsies where you can obtain hyaluronic acid even 9 years after you have injected them. Generally, we say that a filler lasts for about 1 to 2 years. It also depends on the areas where we have injected. Perfectha is what we know as a third-generation hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid in nature, in the natural world, is a gel that would be dissolved in about 40 to 60 hours. Many years ago, they would cross-link this gel in order to make a harder structure that would last for months. In a second generation, they tried to modify this structure. Perfectha is a third-generation structure of hyaluronic acid that is very long-lasting, and it also enhances volume very, very well. What I've observed in my patients is that after a year, after more than a year, they say, and they think that they still have the volume there. So Perfectha is a very advanced technologically product that fills volumes and enhances beauty with a very long-lasting action. There are 3 main advantages when using Perfectha in comparison with other fillers and other hyaluronic acids. The first one is its purity. In the past years, when we had to cross-link, when we had to make this filler, we had to use substances that were not cleared from the product. Today, Perfectha is using the most advanced technology to clear this, so that what we are injecting is in fact pure 100% hyaluronic acid. The second main advantage is the volume that it produces. Many fillers in the past are not strong enough or hard enough to induce volume. But when we're using Perfectha, thanks to its e-BRID technology, we are producing volumes that last for a long time. The third big advantage of Perfectha is how long it lasts. Thanks to this e-BRID technology and cross-linking, we can obtain a gel that is resistant for a very long time. So after more than a year, patients still see the clinical effect. My number one recommendation for my patients when I want to use a filler is Perfectha. There are several reasons, but the main reason is that my patients are much happier with this product than 20 years ago when I started using fillers. What I've found with Perfectha is, number one, it doesn't produce any swelling or inflammation thanks to its purity. Number two, it is very natural. Patients would never complain of having lumpiness or nodules. The product mixes with the natural tissue of our skin. And the third advantage is that after many, many months, my patients still don't need more filler because of the long-lasting effect of Perfectha. That is why Perfectha today is my #1 choice for filling my patients.